Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.
Hello my dear friends, welcome to Adult Solutions. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, you are with your Cbse and we are now going to start with our textbook, that is, yes, Raindrops. So English Raindrops, we have two books, Marigold and Raindrops. We have done with the Marigold and now Raindrops. Here we are beginning with the chapter number 1. Action song, action song, action, action, action song. Yes, we are going to do the action song. Yes, let's find what is there inside. You see, action song, the first chapter. Here, ring the bell. Yes, yes, ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Ring the bell. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Here, wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. A beautiful poem written by someone here. Now, stamp your feet, tuk, tuk, tuk. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. You see, clap, clap, clap. Picture clap, clap, clap. Now, turn around and clap, clap, clap. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Now turn around like clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Now, can you think of some other actions to accompany this song? Rotate your left. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yes. Turn your neck from right to left. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn your neck from up to down. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Like that. With that clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn your back in from left to right. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Anything that you can do like this. Now, underline the word that is used the most in the poem. Clap, clap, clap. Obviously, underline the sentence that is used at the end of every 3 lines. Find out. Now here, you see, this was the beautiful poem here we learned. Now,
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.